Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I might stop announcing what day of Vlogmas it is because I didn't really want to do Vlogmas. I just want to vlog daily, so yeah, we'll see. It might be repetitive if I do that. Anyways, today's the last day I can meet anyone, so I'm meeting my work friends. Because after that we have to come back and we have to pack because I don't know if everything will fit in our suitcases, so we're going tomorrow. We're going to Korea tomorrow. What the hell? What the heck? Guys, I forgot to film dinner time. I didn't film dinner because I'm stupid, but hi. Oh my god, David! Okay, so exciting. Gonna go to John's place now.
What's John's place?
Dave. My brother's place. Oh, Millie Billy! What's with the, wow, why so aggressive? Why are you so aggressive? You haven't played in a week, right? BB? Millie can't play because I'm telling them, Millie. I'm letting them know. You had your surgery a week ago. You still can't play. Hey! What's this? She's wearing a onesie. Oh, John.
You use both.
Yeah, he's in a game right now.
I mean, this is serious game. Real strategy.
Excuse you. Bye, John. Bye. Look at the tree. Wow. Okay, guys, we're back at Vic's now. We stopped at Cobb's and we got some bread. Sean said he wanted a Canadian bun and they were like, wait, what? But he wanted a cinnamon bun. Oh my god, can you see it? I don't know. And Sean's just aggressively playing with Pam right now. Are you okay? He's being rough with you? Oh. We're gonna watch Pam for a little bit, so I don't know if we can actually pack right now. I mean, we do have all day tomorrow, but we'll see. We're leaving tomorrow. What? Guys, the chocolate croissant from Cobb's, so good. Oh. She wants some. Okay guys, I'm just gonna end the video here. Sorry it's super short. I'm actually gonna pack tomorrow because we need to grab a few things and I don't want to pack and then have to rummage in it tomorrow. So tomorrow's the big day, the big move. Oh my god. Yeah, tomorrow I need to cancel my phone plan and then yeah, wow, I don't even know what to say. I'm just so shocked. So Sean's super shocked that we're going. Yes, please look forward to tomorrow because I have no words. I'm sorry this video is so short, but I'll be in Korea soon and it'll be very exciting. Oh my god, okay, thanks for watching today and see you tomorrow. Bye.